Okay, today we'll discuss trigonometry. This is trigonometric identities. Okay. Now there are some identities. Before doing identities, I should tell you, you should know the formulas of trigonometry. There are so many formulas like sin square theta plus cos square theta 1, sec square theta minus cosec square theta, sec square theta minus tan square theta 1, cosec square theta minus cos square theta 1, and its application. You should know all these things. Otherwise, it's very difficult to do. Okay, start with this one. Start with this one. Prove that cosec theta, LHS, we write cosec theta into 1 plus cos theta. This is cosec theta minus cot theta, right? So this is cosec theta means 1 plus cos theta by sin theta, isn't it? Cosec theta means 1 by sin theta. I am writing, here you can write 1 by sin theta. Then you write this one, right? Okay, it's better to write 1 plus cos theta. This is cosec theta minus cot theta. This is 1 by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta into cosec theta minus cot theta. 1 by sin theta is cosec theta plus cot theta. This is cosec theta minus cot theta. So a plus b into a minus b, this is cosec square theta minus cot square theta. That is equal to 1. We know that cosec square theta minus cos square theta equal to 1. So this is proved. Now we go to question number 13. Right? Okay. Or 6. It's better to do 6, 10 because it is quite easy. Now we are doing number 6. Question number 6 we are doing LHS 1 by 1 plus sin theta plus 1 by 1 minus sin theta. You have to prove this is 2 cosec square theta. Look how to do. Just go for LCM. This one into this one will be the LCM, right? So this one after division cancel. So 1 into this one, 1 into 1 minus sin theta plus 1 into 1 plus sin theta. That means 1 minus sin theta plus 1 plus sin theta. This is 1 minus sin square theta. This one cancel. 2 by cos square theta. That is 2 sec square theta. Right? So LHS equal to RHS proved. Okay. Now we'll go to question number 10. Question number 10. Prove that tan square theta, LHS, just the application of formula tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta by 1 plus cot square theta. That is equal to 1 you have to prove. So tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. This is cot square theta, 1 plus cot square is cosec square theta. Right? So now what will you do? This is, look, sin square theta by, tan square theta is sin square theta by cos square theta. And sec square theta is 1 by cos square theta. Now, cot square theta is cos square theta by sin square theta. Right? Now, cosec square theta is 1 by sin square theta. This one cancel, this one cancel. So, we are getting sin square theta plus cos square theta. That is equal to 1, proved. So we have done question number 6, question number 10 we have already done. Right? Now we come to question number 13. Okay? Question number 13. Look, it's a big one, so it will take some space. We have to prove this one. 1 plus sin theta cos theta, here I am writing. So we are making it LHS, left hand side. So how to do this one is really a typical type of sum, right? Look, in RHS it is given 1 plus sin theta cos theta. That means no tan theta business. So what will you do? At first we split up tan theta like this way, 1 minus sin theta by cos theta, right? Because we know tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Plus this is sin cube theta by sin theta minus cos theta. So this is cos theta is LCM, cos theta minus sin theta. This is cos square theta plus this is sin cube theta by sin theta minus cos theta. Right? This will go up. So cos cube theta by cos theta minus sin theta. Right? Plus this is sin cube theta. But look one thing. This is cos theta minus sin theta. And this is sin theta minus cos theta. Take common minus. So we get cos theta minus sin theta. Why? Because now it is very easy to go for LCM. Now what will you do? Cos theta by cos theta minus sin theta. This is plus and minus is minus. This is sin cube theta. Sin cube theta by cos theta minus sin theta. Now cos theta minus sin theta is the LCM. So in the numerator part we are getting cos cube theta minus sin cube theta. Okay, now copy the sum. Now what to do? This is cos cube, but we have to get this one plus sin theta is not matching. So what will I do? Okay, go for this one. So from here we are coming AQ minus BQ means A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square by cos theta minus sin theta, right? Cos theta minus sin theta. Now this one cancelled. So what we are getting? Cos square theta plus sin square theta, writing together plus cos theta sin theta. That means 1 plus sin theta cos theta equal to RHS. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. Proved. Clear? Now we are now we are doing number 16. Okay, no, this is another sum, this one is another. Okay, now what we are doing, prove that this one, that means we write LHS. This is question number 16. LHS sin theta cos theta we have to prove, right? So there is also no sin tan theta business. So what will you do? Sin theta by cos theta, and this is 1 plus sin square theta by cos square theta whole square, plus this is cos theta by sin theta. This is 1 plus cos square theta by sin square theta whole square. That means sin theta by cos theta, and this is cos square theta plus sin square theta whole square, plus this is cos theta by sin theta. This is sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square, right? This is sin theta by cos theta. This is 1 by cos to the power 4 theta. Why? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, right? Cos 4 theta. This is square plus this is cos theta by sin theta. This is 1 by sin to the power 4 theta. Sin theta by cos theta into cos to the power 4 theta, plus this is cos theta by sin theta to sin to the power 4 theta, right? So what we are getting, this one cancel. So sin theta into cos cube theta plus cos theta into sin cube theta we are getting. Now look, one thing, you will take sin theta cos theta common. So we are getting cos square theta plus sin square theta. Here I am writing because there is no space. So sin theta into cos theta proved. Because this is 1. This is 1. Right? This is 1. So this is proved. Please copy the sum. This is very important. Now we'll go to the next one. Now see, there are some sums I have written on the board. This is a very much important sum, especially 26 one is often comes in the exam. See, LHS. This one is LHS. We have to prove this one. The LHS 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta minus sin theta. Right? Here I am writing some part. It's a big one. So what we are doing? Dividing both sides by cos theta, that is 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta, and this is 1 plus cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta. Why sir? Because there are some formula. Because in sin theta cos theta there is only one formula. It's no minus formula, no multiplication formula. That is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So what we are getting, look, 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta plus cos theta by cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta. And here we are getting 1 by cos theta plus cos theta by cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta. So we are getting sec theta plus 1 plus tan theta by sec theta plus 1 minus tan theta. Right? Now we are coming here. Sec theta plus tan theta. Instead of 1 we are writing this one. We are writing sec square theta minus tan square theta. Because we know sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. And in the denominator part we are not writing anything. Just simply leave it. So look now. From this I am coming, we need some space. Okay. So this is sec theta plus tan theta is common. Or no? No, do one thing. Do a little bit here. So this is sec theta plus tan theta. This is sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta. Sec theta plus 1 minus tan theta. Look, now we are going here. Another one line. Sec theta. Look what we have to prove, this one. Sec theta plus tan theta we are taking common. Why sir? Look, this is nothing but sec theta plus tan theta. Why? 1 by cos theta is sec theta, sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. That is why we have done this one. Take common one. If you take common this one, so one is residue part. 1 plus this one I have already taken, sec theta minus tan theta. Right? And this is sec theta plus 1 minus tan theta. Right? So these angle equal. So we are getting sec theta plus tan theta. Sec theta is 1 by cos theta. Tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Cos theta 1 plus sin theta. Right? Look, we have already got this one equal to RHS. So LHS equal to RHS proved. Okay. Now we'll go for this sum we have already done. Now go for question number 27 part 1. Okay. Please copy the sum. Pause the video to note it down. It will be better. Acha. Now just see the second part. There is 3 parts are there. Prove that this, oh no, only 2 parts. So what will I do? LHS. Just write this one LHS. LHS. Why? Because space problem. There is some space problem. 2 cosec theta we have to prove. Now this is what we are doing, 1 plus cos theta. Multiplying both sides by 1 plus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta. Why? Because in this portion we are getting 1 minus cos square theta, that is nothing but sin square theta. So we'll get some value. Here also what we are doing, multiplying both sides by 1 minus cos theta. Hello. Now what we are doing, this is 1 plus cos theta whole square. This is 1 minus cos square theta plus this is 1 minus cos theta whole square. This is 1 minus cos square theta. Right? Now 1 plus cos theta, square rooting na, this one. So 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta, that is sin theta. This is also sin theta because 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta under root. Okay, now one thing you can do, another one thing. If there is any problem, it's better to do this one. Right? Okay. Now, this is square. So what we are getting, 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. This is 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. Right? So this sin theta is LCM. So we are getting 1 plus cos theta plus 1 minus cos theta. So this one cancel. 2 by sin theta. That is 2 cosec theta. Equal to RHS. So LHS equal to RHS proved. This is a very easy sum. Please copy the sum. Okay, I have marked some another sum that is very much important. Okay. It's very much important sum that is given sec theta minus 1. This is 20 part 1. LHS sec theta minus 1 by sec theta plus 1. What we have to prove? RHS is sin square theta by 1 plus cos theta whole square. Not a easy sum. Fifth, LHS. So what we are doing? We are going for 1 by cos theta because in the proof we see sin theta cos theta is there. So 1 by cos theta plus 1. So what we are getting? Cos theta LCM. 1 minus cos theta and this is cos theta. 1 plus cos theta. So this is 1 minus cos theta by cos theta. Cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Okay. 1 plus ato. Now what we are doing? We have to go for sin square theta. So multiplying both sides. Look, we need 1 plus cos theta whole square. But there is only 1 plus cos theta. So multiplying both sides by 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta. Right? So here we are getting 1 plus cos theta whole square. And we are getting 1 minus cos square theta. That is sin square theta by 1 plus cos theta whole square. Right? This is RHS. This is RHS. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS proved. Very easy sum. It's a very important sum. Okay. Now we are going for another good sum. This is it's a really a good one. Yes. Okay. Prove that 26.1. Prove that cosec theta plus cot theta, cosec theta plus cot theta by cosec theta minus cot theta, cosec theta minus cot theta, right, equal to cosec theta plus cot theta whole square equal to 1 plus 2 cot square theta plus 2 cosec theta cot theta. This thing we have to prove. Look, this is a very, very good sum. Often it comes in the examination. What we need? Look, there is cosec theta and cot theta is associated. What is the formula? We know that cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. This is the key of the sum. Okay? We have to do this formula, we have to use everywhere in this sum. Now, first this one equal this one. Now, write cosec theta plus cot theta by cosec theta minus cot theta. That is cosec theta minus cot theta. Multiply both sides by cosec theta plus cot theta. Why? Because we need cosec theta plus cot theta whole square, but here is only cosec theta plus cot theta. That is why we are multiplying numerator and denominator by cosec theta plus cot theta. So what we are getting? This is cosec theta plus cot theta whole square, and this is cosec square theta minus cot square theta. We know this is 1. So we are getting cosec theta plus cot theta whole square, right? This is one answer. Now from this we can come to this one also. Look. Now, okay, this part is finished. Okay. Now go for the second part. Now, cosec theta plus cot theta by, already we have proved this one, na? So we come from this one, cosec theta plus cot theta whole square, right? That is cosec square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 cosec theta cot theta, right? So this is what we have to prove. 1 plus 2 cot square theta. So no cosec square theta is there. So we can write cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Instead of cosec square theta, we can write 1 plus cot square theta. This is cot square theta. This is 2 cosec theta cot theta. So 1 plus this is 2 cot square theta plus 2 cosec theta cot theta. Right? This is the answer. Proved. Proved. So student, this type of problem often comes in the exam. Be careful while handling this type of problem. Okay. Thank you.